Hey, today we're going to be talking about the 266 rear lounge Springdale. It's a pre-owned trailer. It's a 2012. Couple of things I want to tell you about it. Has the bigger tanks, and it also has a power front jack. And if you come around here, has a nice underbelly. The previous owners put some carpeting in there for you. Then if you come around here, you got two doors on this one. You do have a power awning on this one with outside speakers. Let me see. This rear lounge is awesome. It has these really nice recliner chairs right here. You got a big, beautiful windows with views. Nice couch that folds out into a nice bed, and then you have the big U-shaped dinette right there. You have these beautiful cabinets in here with the nice little design on there. Lots of room inside of these bad boys. Then you have your entertainment right here. Have a nice TV, a Jensen stereo, and this does play outside. So if you want to play the music outside from this, you can do that. Look at the nice wood material on this one, is really nice. Then if you come into the bedroom, you could put your own mattress in there, or we could provide a mattress for this trailer. We will have a mattress, I promise you. But you got nice closets in here, nice hanging closet, overhead storage, and then you have a little air vent right there for you. Then this TV also spins around, so if you want to watch TV from the inside of the bedroom, you can do that. And then you have your nice bathroom right here with plenty of room, big shower. Then if we mosey on over here to the kitchen area, got a nice fridge, and the people that had it previously cleaned it out. No smell in this bad boy. It smells pretty good. Stove and counter cooking top, microwave, and you have your sink right here with a pull-out spout. So come on outside. I'll show you a little bit about outside of this bad boy. Come around here. You have a ladder to get on top if you need to clean it up off there, or if you need to clean it off. We got a back spare tire. This slide is on the rack of pinions slide. So yeah, this is an awesome trailer. It's a Springdale 266. If you have any questions, a great price, give me a call. We're blowing it out this for the end of the year. Give me a call and I'll get you a great deal on it. My name is Anthony.Fuller. You can reach me at 541-653-2818. Thank you.